All right, this little quick video is going to be installing new air filter into here. Kind of already started. You got to look, you see how dirty this mess is up in here. Need to clean all that. So in the process of doing that now, going to keep cleaning this up. What we're installing is right there, the UNI filter from full access ATV. Get the maximum air filter that will fit in a box and will give us a little better protection and a little better performance. Let's go. All right, you probably are watching Jake's video. He has a little better, but I'm installing it in here, so it might be something that helps you. But half an inch from here, so the one up is this guy here, and half an inch, you mark your half-inch mark in the center there and punch it and get your half-inch drilled. And here's the half-inch hole drilled. Going to go up inside and wipe and vacuum any little plastic pieces that might be in there. So you make sure when you put it in, you kind of clock it. You see how the nut, the whatever is down there, you want to clock it to your hole you drilled. So we're going to put that in, and then I'm going to go down here and look, and we'll look together. Seeing if we see anything. We may have to get a better light to shine. You can kind of see it, huh? Still want to get in there and push it. No, I can't see it. You got your little flashlight on you. You got your flashlight on you. I can shine it in there and I can tell you. I can't see jack cracking. Got it? No, I mean, I turn it. Top, right or back? I don't know. I can't see any of it right now.
I'm assuming it's back far enough, but it is sticking out some.
Yeah, it's gonna stick out some.
But let's back it off just a hair.
All right.
Here, right here. Okay. Now?
Yeah, right there. Hang on, I see something in there. All right, guys, I'm trying to get this where you can see it. It's kind of difficult, but it's there, trust me. It was not seated far enough. I just don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Maybe you can right there, I can't tell. It looks pretty blurry to me, but that's it. It wasn't seated far enough. So when you think you have it pushed in, it's not pushed in quite enough. You need to push it in. There you go, right there. You need to push it in a little bit more until you get it all the way. You may need to use some of the some water, a little bit of water, or a little bit of the oil that's on the filter to kind of lube it a little bit so you can slide it in. So now I'm going to try to reach it in there and turn it without turning that stupid thing. All right, I'm not going to say it was the easiest thing in the world to do, but it's done. You just got to make sure you just keep at it. Mine, the angle wasn't quite right. The angle, was say like this, and I'm coming at it like this. So I use a flat head and kind of pushed it down just a hair to where I could get my socket on it and meet it and get it. So that may be something you have to do as well. All right, seal is in. You got to work it. It doesn't just pop in there. You know, it's never that easy, but it does go in. Just kind of work it. What I did, I worked it from one side around the bottom up to the top, and once it's in, it's a pretty good seal. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's in. That's how much is sticking out. So we are going to put this case on the front, the cover for the air box, and then the cover for the whole thing there. Slide the light out the way. I can do this one-handed. It may not. Let me do this and I'll let y'all know what it looks like. All right, it's in. Super easy, no problem at all. Just kidding. Sometimes these clips are pretty tight, so you may need some. You are gonna have to use two hands, or at least have someone else help you push it. Mine was pretty damn tight. Gonna put the top, whatever you want to call it, firewall cover, whatever this cover is called here. Put that on, and good to go. Ready for a clean engine.